morning, children. Welcome to the chapter The Working of the UN. In this chapter, I am going to discuss about the agencies linked to UN. The UN has set up several agencies for discharging its various functions. WHO, UNICEF, UNESCO, FAO, and ILO. These are the agencies. Now let's discuss about WHO. So WHO, its full form is World Health Organization. So World Health Organization WHO was established in the year 1948. It aims at fighting diseases and improving the health services. It is an important branch of the UN. It advises government on many health matters. It warns doctors about epidemics that may have started somewhere in the world. It organizes worldwide campaigns against diseases like malaria and tuberculosis, which kill millions of people every year. With its help, the smallpox was eradicated from the earth. The headquarters of the WHO are located in Geneva, Switzerland. Health for all is the goal of World Health Organization, that is WHO. Now, next point, UNICEF, United Nations Children's Fund. It was set up in the year 1946 to provide food and shelter to child victims of the Second World War. Its headquarters are in New York. It is supported entirely by voluntary contributions from governments and individuals. It helps the member countries to solve the problems of illiteracy and disease among children. The Anganwadi program in India is being carried out with the help of the UNICEF. It helps not only the child but the mother also. Mothers are taught the following things like how to take care of their children, how to take care of their own health, how to cook food so that its nutritious value is not lost, and how to treat small ailments of the children. The UNICEF also undertakes teachers training programs for physically and mentally challenged children. So these are the points which comes under UNICEF, that how to help the child and also the mother, and also they are teaching mother these points which I have discussed right now. UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. The UNESCO was established in the year 1946. Its main aim is to educate the many millions of people, young and old, who cannot read or write. It provides scientific training in backward countries. It also helps in preserving old monuments and also provides expert training in preservation of ancient art, culture and architecture. Its headquarters are in Paris in France. Next one is FAO, Food and Agricultural Organization. Its headquarters is in Rome. This organization helps in providing food to all. Its aim is to provide freedom from hunger. It improves the food production by making the resources available. It is done by providing countries with better seeds, controlling crop and animal diseases, by improving irrigation facilities, by providing better means of conservation of soil and forests. Next one is ILO, full form is International Labour Organization. It helps the nations in improving the working conditions of their people. It tries to sort out the problems between governments, employers and workers. Children, look at these logos which are the agencies linked to UN. This is WHO, World Health Organization, UNICEF, United Nations Children's Fund, then UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, then FAO, Food and Agricultural Organization of the United Nations, then ILO, International Labour Organization. Let's have some knowledge about the achievements of the UN. The UN has played an important role in settling disputes which could have resulted. The UN has played an important role in settling disputes which could have resulted into wars. The wars between India and Pakistan, Iran and Iraq, Israel and the Arab countries were not allowed to grow big because of the efforts of the UN. It has played a remarkable role in arms control, especially preventing the use of nuclear weapons. It has been able to improve food production and provide better working conditions for industrial workers. It helps the developing countries to fight against poverty, disease and illiteracy. It has helped in improving the cultural cooperation among the nations. It has also been providing relief to refugees and the victims of the calamities. So children, in today's video I discussed the agencies linked to UN and the achievements of the UN so far. Thank you children for watching this video.